Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another interesting food video. It is Becky the mommy. So guys, these are the key ingredients that I used in making the lovely ogbono soup you just saw. In this white plate is grinded ogbono. I grinded this ogbono the day I went for my Easter market runs. I will drop the link to that market post in the description box. Please do see it. What I'm holding right now is called lemon. Guys, I love using this lemon to wash raw meat. I don't cook raw meat. I don't wash raw meat ordinarily. Guys, I even made a special post only for how to wash raw meat, how I personally wash raw meat using lemon. Please do see that post. I will definitely drop the link to that post in the description box as well. Please do see it. So this is the meat I used in making the soup. This is actually full neck of goat meat, guys. Full neck of native goat. So guys, this is the fresh fish I got from Port Harcourt Seafood Market, my most recent, in fact one of my most recent posts actually. Okay, so the post is not far, you can see it. If you just search for it, you see it. Port Harcourt Seafood Market. I got this fish from there, and this is the few I have left, so I'm just going to take a few from here that I'll be adding to this ogbono soup. So this is stockfish. I also got this stockfish from Port Harcourt Seafood Market. So it's actually called Creek Road Market, okay? And things are a bit cheaper there compared to buying in the nearby markets, okay? That's why I went that far to get these food items from that market. So I'll be adding this stockfish. You can imagine I got this big head of stockfish for $7.50. So now you see the reason why I went all the way down to Creek Road Market to buy foodstuffs, okay? So I'll be adding this to the ogbono soup. This is a periwinkle, isam, okay? What else? This is a fresh pepper. I'll just be adding it to the soup. So guys, these are practically the key ingredients I'll be using to make this ogbono soup. Now guys, let's start cooking. It's Becky the mommy. You know me by now. I love good homemade food. So guys, I'm done prepping all the ingredients that I'll be using to make this lovely ogbono soup, okay? So let me just start cooking. I'll start putting everything now on fire. So first I have the fresh fish. Can you see it from there? Let me turn the camera over. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'll be steaming is this fresh fish. So in here I have fresh pepper. I pounded it with onions and crayfish, and then I added some seasoning cubes to this. So I'll start steaming this first. Okay, let me turn on the gas. Okay, so the gas is on. Good. So I'm just gonna add some water. This water is already hot. I boiled it to use it to wash the stockfish. So guys, while I let this steam, I'll quickly go grab the meat. I'll still turn on the gas for this because I want the water very hot for the stockfish. Okay, so here I have the meat. I've already washed this, okay, but I'm still going to rinse it before, you know, adding it to the pot. Okay, over here I have the stockfish. I think the water is boiled now, so I'll just pour the hot water. Okay guys, so you can actually check the description box to see the link to the video of how I wash raw meat. It's an interesting video, I must say. We learn every day. So when I discovered that secret, I had to start applying it. Ever since then till today, whenever I'm cooking with raw meat, I always wash them that way. So please do see that post. So I'll put the meat over here, and I'll definitely add salt with some seasoning cubes. Okay, so yeah guys, the stockfish is now steaming together with the goat's meat. So I'll just allow this cook for like 5 minutes, and then I'll start cooking proper. Okay, so let me just cover this up and let it steam together for like 5 minutes. Meanwhile guys, the fish is already done steaming. Okay, so now we're waiting for now I'm waiting for the goat meat and the stockfish to steam. So guys, this is fresh pepper and crayfish and onions that I pounded together. If you've seen my other cooking videos, you will see that I like, I always pound fresh pepper, onions and crayfish together, and then I use it to fry the oil. I have 2 methods I make ogbono soup. This is one of the methods. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the crayfish, pepper and onions. Okay, so I'm frying it together. While that is frying, I'll just add some water, just small water, very small. Good. The problem is it's difficult holding my phone and doing this at the same time because I need to stir this properly. So guys, I'll just drop this phone back. Okay, so that's the meat, everything. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the fresh fish last because I don't want it to pieces. So I'll add the fresh fish last. Reason why I had to steam it first. So I'll let this meat cook properly before I add the fish, and then after I add the fish, I'll add the periwinkle and the leaf, and that will be it. Okay, so guys, the soup is almost ready, and at this point I'll start adding, or rather I'll add the fish. Okay, so you see how it looks. It's already cooked and soft, but I just want this I just want it to cook properly inside the soup, so of course it's gonna have the same taste as the soup. So look at that. So right after adding the fish, the next thing I'll add is the periwinkle. Okay, so the next thing I'll add now is this oziza leaf. Soup done. This soup, it is sweet. It's not even a joke, guys. Men looking at the face of this soup, you would agree with me that it looks good. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by liking it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe before you go. Okay. It goes a long way in encouraging me, I tell you. It really goes a long way in encouraging me and also helping my channel grow. Yes, so it helps my channel grow. So guys, please support Becky the Mommy by doing these things. Subscribe, like, drop a positive comment, and I'll be more than glad to reply to your comments. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.